Yes, dear students. See, when we're talking about the Kashmir, let's continue the Kashmir. So, Pashmina shawls. The Pashmina shawls are mainly woven in the Kashmir, and the Pashmina shawls are famous in all over the world. And what are the food habits of the Jammu and Kashmir? The people of Jammu and Kashmir hate the meat and milk products. What are the milk products? Such as cheese and butter are the main milk products of Jammu and Kashmir. So at the same time, the kesar are also called a saffron. See, this is the kesar called a saffron. So this is the main prized products of the Jammu and Kashmir, and its cuisine comprises the kawa, gustaba, etc. And when you go to the Jammu and Kashmir, what are the main products you must buy? The main products are carpets, Kashmiri carpets. See, this is the Kashmiri carpets. So the Kashmiri carpets and namdas. See, this is the namdas. This is the namdas, Kashmiri carpets, namdas, and cricket bats and firans are must-buy products. And see, and Jammu and Kashmir is famous. Jammu and Kashmir is famous, are also called a paradise on the earth. Why the Jammu and Kashmir is called a paradise on earth? Because of its more beauty and stunning landscape, Kashmir is known as the paradise on earth. See, houseboats. This is the houseboats and shikaras. The houseboats and shikaras are common feature in the lake across the Kashmir Valley. So now let us discuss about the Tamil Nadu. See, as I said already, Tamil Nadu it's located in the southeastern part of the India. The Tamil Nadu is located in the southeastern coast of the Indian peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? Peninsula means the land surrounded by water bodies on three sides is called a peninsula. Tamil Nadu is situated in the east southeastern coast of the peninsula, and the fertile of the plains of Tamil Nadu is formed by the river Kaveri, river Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai. River Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai made the Tamil Nadu as a very fertile. And Tamil Nadu is also traditionally manufacturing state. And Tamil Nadu is the leading agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of India. Agriculture is the main occupation of India. In the same way, agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the leading of agricultural producers. And Tamil Nadu is one of the most industrialized states in India. See, these are the industries. See, these are the what we can say in the this one. The what are the important places they marked? They are the important industrial states. Tamil Nadu is one of the most important industrial states. And so there are a many other. There are a number of engineering companies are there, and there are a number of the vehicle manufacturing companies are there. So which are the vehicle manufacturing companies such as Ford, Nissan, Hyundai, etc. So which is the capital city of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu, and it is the fourth largest city in India. Mumbai is the largest city in India. In the same way, Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. So then, which are the main cities? If you take Karnataka, Bangalore, Mysore, Mandya, Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore, Hubli, Dharwada are the important cities. In the same way, if you take Tamil Nadu, uh, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Salem are the major cities in the Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city and fourth largest city in the Tamil Nadu. So, fourth largest city in Tamil Nadu. See, now Tamil Nadu historical and cultural traditions among the Tamil Nadu's historical and cultural tradition is the oldest tradition among the world. See, Carnatic music, Bharatanatyam. So, Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. How the Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Mohiniyattam and Kathakali are the classical dance form of Kerala. In the same way, Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. And Indian architecture attained the great heights in the Tamil Nadu. Great attains in the Tamil Nadu. So next, let us discuss about remaining points in the next topic.